Pete the Cat Show and Tell by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the Cat can't wait for show and tell. He knows just what to bring. His super cool baseball glove. But when Pete sees what everyone else is sharing, he starts to wonder, is his glove actually cool enough? Pete is excited. Today is show and tell. Everyone is bringing something cool to show the class. Pete is bringing his baseball glove. It's the coolest. Pete's glove used to be Dad's glove. Dad gave it to Pete when Pete was a kitten. Just like Grandpa gave the glove to Dad when Dad was just a kitten. And the glove was Grandpa's when Grandpa was a kitten. Pete loves playing catch with the same baseball glove that Dad and Grandpa played catch with when they were kittens. He can't wait to bring it to show and tell. When Pete arrives, he realizes everyone else's stuff at show and tell is super cool. Gus skates around on his laser light skateboard. It flashes with every color in the rainbow. Cool! Callie shows her digital keyboard. She presses the keys and it makes wacky beats and music. Cool! Grumpy Toad shares his high-tech robotic puppy. It barks and wags its tail. It even does neat tricks. So cool! Pete, it's your turn for show and tell, says the teacher. Pete picks up his glove. It doesn't light up, or play music, or do any tricks. Maybe I'll go tomorrow, says Pete. He stuffs his baseball glove into his backpack where no one can see it. After school, Pete and Dad played catch. How was show and tell today, asked Dad. I decided not to go, says Pete. Everyone else's toys were so cool. Says Dad. Do you think your glove is cool? Pete catches the ball and looks at his glove. His glove may not light up, or play music, or do any tricks. But it reminds him of all the fun he has with his dad. Nothing is cooler than that. Yeah, I think my glove is the coolest, says Pete. And that's all that matters. The next day, Pete brings his baseball glove back to school and shows it to his friends. Pete tells them about how it once belonged to his dad and to his grandpa. He tells them all the groovy memories he has of playing catch with his dad. That glove is the coolest, says Gus. Thanks, says Pete. I think so too. When it comes to being cool, all that matters is what's cool to you. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content.